Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 319. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 here, a 1 and 3 here. So this is our 9, 1 here, so 3, 1. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 7, and I don't see any help, so 2, 7, 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 is here, 9 here, so 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this top row now, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here. 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 9, 1. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. That 2 makes this our 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this row now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 covering here and a 3 covering here, so our 3 must be here. But I don't see any other help, so 8, 9, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 covering here and a 7 covering here, so our 7 must be here. We've got a 9 here, so this is our 6, 9. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. And for this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.